Hello everybody, this is a tutorial how to install Sass on a Mac. Let's get started. Open up the terminal by pushing Command Spacebar and searching for it. Enter that. Alright, and then after you have that terminal up, you can set it to the side. Let's create a new folder. Call this folder anything you'd like, but for this we're going to call it tutorial. Awesome. Okay, and inside that folder, we're going to create two more folders, CSS and an SCSS. Great. Set that aside for now, and let's open up our text editor. And create an index HTML. Just like this. Okay, and then on the link tag, we're going to link it to the style CSS. All right, let's create our style. Put it in our CSS folder. Let's create a new file. Go back to the folder, and we're going to put this one in our Sass file. But this is going to be a Sass file, so it's going to be SCSS. Great. We're going to save our index file in our tutorial. And it looks like everything's ready to go. We have our style.css in our CSS folder. We have our index within our folder. And then we have our style.scss in our SCSS folder. Okay, we can put away our text editor for now. And we can go back to terminal. So you can do Command++ to zoom in on what you're doing. And you can type in clear to clear out the board. Okay, but now we have to direct our terminal to this specific folder. So how we do that is by giving a path, which is cd desktop/tutorial. Great, and now you can see that the terminal is linked to the tutorial folder. Now a simple sudo gem install sass is all that's needed to install Sass. Enter your user password and go. Great, the gem is installed, and now we can turn on Sass, which is run by Ruby. So it's simple Sass -- watch our Sass file, which is in our SCSS folder, style.scss folder, will be pathed to our CSS folder and then turned into our style.css. And click enter when you're done with that pathing. Great. Now the Sass catch is watching, as you can see in our folder. Now anything we do to our style.css will be translated into CSS. Okay, so let's open up this file with our text editor. And here it is. You can see it's attached. Our style.css is being mapped with the style.scss. And you have successfully installed Sass. Now let's do a couple of things before this tutorial is over. Let's add a couple of mix-ins. So this will be, for example, a color mix-in panel. Let's comment out colors, and let's input our basics. So let's give ourselves a black color, a white color, a red color, let's give ourselves a blue. Great. Let's check our stuff.